Hi friends, welcome to AhiluArts channel. I'm Uma. In this video, as the title says, we are going to see how to do a foundationless single crochet. Okay, I personally do not like this stitch, but it is kind of a trick that when you are making a blanket or anything that needs more than more stitches, more chains, and you've missed a chain, at that time this will be a handy trick to, instead of undoing all your work when starting from the scratch, you can just do this trick to adjust the number of stitches. For example, if you are doing like 100 chains for a blanket or anything, but you realize after the first round, that is after the single crochet round, you have done only 99 stitch. So but at that time you don't have to undo all your work and start from the scratch. You can just do this particular little trick, the foundationless single crochet, and continue with your work. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn now. I usually know that we will always do the single crochet in the spine of the foundation chain, so that the both of the finishing will be the same, right? We usually work in the back hump so that it will be like the V finishing if it will be the same as in both the sides, right? When we do the foundation less single crochet, it will be okay, the finishing will be okay, but it will be little bit different than the normal foundation chain. But it is a great trick when you do to know when you do a longer project, and we can do foundationless single, half double crochet also and double crochet also. But I personally feel like whatever work I'm doing, whatever project I'm doing, I will start with the round of row of single crochet to have the proper edging, the stiff edging. So in this tutorial we will just learn how to make the foundationless single crochet, and in separate tutorial I'll let you know how to do the half double crochet and double crochet, because it will be little bit confusing when you see the loop, which is the loop and which is the chain. So that is why, see, this is our normal single crochet row I have done with the single chain, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I thought I have counted for 11 chains so that I will have 10 stitches, but unfortunately I have only 9 stitches. So instead of undoing all the work again and redo it, I will do the foundationless single crochet. Okay, so let us see how to do that. Okay, I'll give you 3 steps to follow, only 3 steps. If you remember, it will be an easy stitch. Okay, of course we have to have a slip knot because it's like a starting point. Let me zoom in a little so that you will clearly see that. Okay, now for single crochet, chain 1, and this is the extra chain we will be doing for all the single crochet, right? So I have done only 2 chains, in which the first chain I will skip, and in the second chain I will do the single crochet. So listen carefully. This is the first step in the 3 steps what I have told. When you pull up a loop, if I do a yarn over and pull through these 2, the single crochet will be completed, right? So instead of that, first I have to make a chain with the first loop alone, and then do the single crochet. I'll do one more time. Listen, I have 1 chain for current single crochet. So for the next single crochet, before I complete the single crochet, I will do a chain with only the first loop, and then with the remaining 2 loops I will do the single crochet. So for the next stitch I will do the chain what I have done now. See, I will insert into the chain, pull up a loop. Instead of completing the single crochet, first I will do the chain and then complete the single crochet. So the 3 steps is insert into the chain. 3 steps are, make sure you insert into the both the loops to have the V finishing in there. Okay, insert into the chain, pull up a loop, do a chain, then do a single crochet. Now again insert into the previous chain what we have done when we do the single crochet. So insert, pull up a loop, first do a chain, then do a single crochet. That's it. So insert, pull up a loop, first chain, then single crochet. If we don't do the chain, then there will be no chains for the next single crochet, right? So always do a chain, then insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, first do the chain, then do the single crochet. So by this way we don't even have to worry about how many if we have done the chains correctly or not. See, first chain, then single crochet. So these are the 3 steps. Insert into the chain, pull up a loop, first do the chain with the first loop and then do the single crochet with the both the loops. Okay, so if you feel like this is little handy and this will be easy for you to continue, you can start with any project with the foundationless single crochet. Okay, see, insert, pull up a loop, do a chain, do a single crochet. So again insert, pull up a loop, do a chain, do a single crochet. So I haven't counted the chain stitch at all because I know I can count it later. See, since we have taken both the loops of the chain, the previous chain, our back side finishing also, the V is the same as that of the top side, right? So let us count that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. See, when I have to complete the complete the stitch, what I will do is I will do a normal single crochet instead of doing a chain first. So if I have to have only 12 stitches, I won't do the chain first. I will just do the normal single crochet to complete this round. You got it, right? Let me show you one more time. Okay, if you just clearly see which is the loop and which is the stitch, that's it. Okay, you may feel this as an easy one, but you may think why I don't like that. I'm just a little old-fashioned that way, so don't worry about that. Okay, see, I have done 2 chains. Okay, now first I have to do a single crochet, but before completing the single crochet, what I should do, chain 1, then single crochet. Now insert into the chain, chain 1, single crochet. Now again insert into the previous chain. Instead of doing all the chains first and all the single crochet next, we are doing then and there. Say chain, single crochet, chain, single crochet. The only thing is we are doing the chain while doing the single crochet, not separately. Okay, see, insert into both the loops. You see, I am inserting into both the loops, pulling up a loop, then first do a chain, then do a single crochet. Okay, so insert into both the loops. Sorry, my hand is a little slippery. Pull up, first do a chain and then do a single crochet. Again the same thing. The only thing you have to make sure is you are not losing up the loop from the top. Okay, so this is how we are going to continue. So what are the 3 steps? Pull up a loop, chain 1, single crochet. Then again pull up a loop, chain 1, single crochet. Then insert, pull up a loop, chain 1, single crochet. Insert into the chain, pull up a loop, chain 1, single crochet. Okay, so the last stitch, insert, pull up a loop. Instead of doing a chain 1, since this is my last stitch, I will just do a single crochet. Then when in order to start a new row, again turn your work, chain 1 and continue the single crochet as usual. Right, if you see, this is our foundationless single crochet. This is our traditional single crochet. You see, both are the same, right? So remember this step, try this and make sure you get a hang of it, and in the later video we'll see the half double crochet and double crochet. Both are the same technique, but just to make sure which is the loop and which is the stitch you need to crochet, that is where the difference is. Okay, so don't confuse with that. Just try this out and send me your photographs on whatever you have tried. Okay, so like the channel, comment your suggestions, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. Whatever you want to do, just message me, we'll do it together. Happy crocheting. Thank you. Bye bye.